Welcome to ILSA's Word of the Week. Today's word is Insurtech. This is a fairly broad term for a wide range of technologies such as blockchain, machine learning, big data analysis, artificial intelligence, etc., which can be applied to the insurance industry. It's also used to describe the companies that develop and apply such technologies. Fast fact: while Insurtech companies were originally seen as disruptors out to destroy the insurance industry and replace insurance professionals with chatbots, both incumbents and Insurtech firms now embrace a collaborative approach to harnessing the power of new technologies to reduce costs, improve the customer experience, and create a thriving insurance industry for the 21st century and beyond. If you're an Insurtech looking for help negotiating the highly regulated insurance industry, visit us at www.ilsainc.com. And for more wow moments, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new videos.